bachpan becomes a story. A very good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinator, my dear students and beloved teachers. Today we have convened here to celebrate Children's Day. And let me tell you students, today's assembly is full of wonderful performances. As you know, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year to honor the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. With great respect, I would like to invite our principal ma'am to offer flower.
I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Coordinators, my colleagues and dear students. Here I am Vaishali for Thought of the Day. Today's Thought of the Day is tell your body that it is strong. Strong, it means that you should work hard, like running, playing and doing hard work in the school. Tell your mind that it is strong, that it means that you should think positive, even if something is difficult for you. To have faith and hope in yourself, it means that you should trust yourself that you can learn, grow and succeed in your life. Thank you. Every child is a different kind of flower and together they make this world a beautiful garden. A very warm pleasant morning to our respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, dear teachers and my lovely children. Today is a very special day, Children's Day, a day to celebrate the brightest smiles and the loudest laughter and the most beautiful hearts, all of you. Every year on November 14th, we celebrate this day in memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He loved children so much that you all lovingly call him Chacha Nehru. He believed that children are like buds in the garden who should be nurtured with love, care, so they can grow into strong and beautiful flowers. And truly, each one of you is like a little flower, different colors, different petals, but all spreading happiness wherever you go. Dear children, you make our school come alive. Your laughter fills our hearts. Your curiosity keeps us learning. Your kindness gives us hope for a better tomorrow. Always remember to study well. Listen to your parents and teachers, and most importantly, be kind to everyone around you. Your smile, your curiosity and your goodness make this world a better place. On this special day, I want to tell you, keep dreaming big. Keep believing in yourself. Be honest, be kind and never forget to smile.
because your smile can brighten someone's entire day. Enjoy this day to the fullest. Sing, dance, laugh, and remember how special you are. On this behalf of all your teachers, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. To conclude this speech, I would like to dedicate a few lines of a song. Please, you can also join with me, okay? दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। Thank you very much. Wish you all very wonderful day.
खींचा कंधा चोर, चीटी चाटे चिमनी चकोरी चिमनी खोर। चंदा चाटे चमची खींचा कंधा चोर, चीटी चाटे चिमनी चकोरी चिमनी खोर। इतना मुश्किल है ये खाना खाना बाकी नहीं खाना। चंदा चाटे चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चिमनी खोर। चंदा चाटे चमची खींचा कंधा चोर, चीटी चाटे चिमनी चकोरी चिमनी खोर। जेब में हमरे तू ही रुपया, दुनिया को रखी ठेठ भैया। सुख दुख को खूंटी पे टांगे और पाप पुण्य चोटी से बांधे। नाचे हैं हम दादा भैया, हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया, अरे हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया। ये अपना फैशन है भैया, अरे हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया।
गली में बम बोले, दूसरी गली में अलामिया, एक गली में कुछ अगाने, दूसरी गली में बची बजैया।
सबकी रगों में लहू है, अपनी रगों में गंगा मैया। सूरज और चंदा भी ढलता, अपने इशारों पे चलता। दुनिया का बोल बोल भैया, हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया, हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया। ये अपना फैशन है भैया, अरे हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया।
कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं। उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
ले जाओ तुम ऐसा भी एक दिन तो जरूर आएगा। हमसे इस दुनिया में एक दिन हर कोई जब हाथ मिलाएगा। देखते जाओ तुम ऐसा भी एक दिन तो जरूर आएगा।
धरती पे हम चलते हैं पर छू लेंगे आसमां, छू लेंगे आसमां। Thank you.
What I expect and believe that you please behave like children, intact that innocence, empathy, okay, that what you can say, that vulnerability intact in you, okay, and be fit, active and smart. Be agile, because this is the age when you get a lot of opportunity to explore yourselves, to explore your skills in so many ways, not only in academics but otherwise as well, be it music, dance, art, craft, anything, whatever you like, you must pursue. And you must become a very confident future adult, so that we will be rest assured that our country, our nation is in safe hands. This day comes with a lot of memories. This day marks the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Since children were very fond of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also very fond of children, so his birth anniversary is being marked as the Children's Day. But this day always reminds us that innocence, that child must be present in everyone, be it us also, because that innocence keeps us alive, keeps us fresh, and keeps us active and agile for doing the activities which might be at this age, sometimes because of the physical barriers or limitations we are not able to do. But the moment we think, no, we have to be active, sometimes we have to behave like a child also in order to get our things going. So this day reminds us with a lot of things, and definitely this is your day. So the assembly which was being presented by the entire primary teachers, I think must have made up your day, isn't it or not? Yes. So give them a huge round of applause, because as very well said by Ms. Sonali, that they had not missed upon any activity or stay back or anything which was to be done by them, but then also they tried to steal the time and they managed to choreograph a dance, songs and the entire assembly. It's a great effort, because you also know that your teachers keep busy for the entire day. Yes. They have some 8 to 9 periods, and for the entire day they are standing, they are taking your lectures, isn't it? So where are they getting time? Where are they getting time? So definitely you must be really thankful and grateful for your teachers, those who have come up with such a nice assembly presentation. My congratulations to the entire team of grade 1 to 4 teachers along with the coordinator, because seriously there are a lot of things which are happening. TJIS, a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Go out with your family members, have party treats from your parents,